Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you have. Check the bottle name, strength in milligrams, and expiration. This prevents dosing errors. Next, compare the prescribed dose to the tablet marking so you take exactly 1 tablet or 0.5 mg as instructed. Once confirmed, wash your hands and place a full glass of water within reach. Taking pills with sufficient water helps the tablet move safely into the stomach and reduces throat irritation. Make sure no food or drink conflicts are listed. Place the tablet on your tongue, then swallow it whole with about 200-250 ml of water. Do not crush or split unless your prescriber says it is safe, because formulation affects release. Take the pill at the same time each day to keep steady levels in your body. Use a clock or a medication app for consistency. While taking it, watch for side effects. Note what you feel and when it started so you can report patterns. If you experience severe symptoms, seek medical attention immediately. Finish the entire prescribed course to ensure effectiveness. Abrupt stopping can reduce benefit or cause rebound effects, so check with your prescriber before altering the schedule. Store the pills in a cool, dry place away from heat and humidity, and lock them away from children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. If you miss a dose, take it within 4 hours. Otherwise, skip that dose and get back to your regular timing. If you experience persistent problems, call your clinician for specific next steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.